Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about this premium watch face for Galaxy Watch Ultra. It's an absolutely gorgeous watch face, and the best part of this watch face is this arm moving seconds and this mechanical animation on this end as well, which makes it really cool. It follows a very unconventional design language as well. So you can see that this is the hour hand, this is the minute hand, and then we have moving seconds in the middle, and then we have the whole week date and heart rate. We've got a steps complication here and battery complication right here. If we go ahead and take a look at the always on display version, so it goes all black but shows you the essentials of the watch face still. So that's again really cool. Now let's go ahead and take a look at its customization options. So if we go in customize, there are a lot of options to customize this watch face, and you can completely change the look of this watch face. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna go with the black look. And now we have accent colors. So here you can change the accent colors right here. So I'm gonna go with this dark look, and then we have index style. Again, you can change the color and you can turn them off as well. So I like this one, but I also like this golden color to go with black. So let's select this one, and then we have complications. So you can add a shortcut here. Let's add calculator, and if we go back, this is the new look of the watch face, totally different from what we started with. Now it's a black theme and I am loving it. Just look at that, and then you can tap here to launch your shortcut app. The name of this watch face is USA Premium. Again, it's a premium watch face. I'll put the link in the description. Go ahead and download it and support the watch face community, because we need these developers to continue to create some of these gorgeous watch faces for our Galaxy watches. So that's about it from this video guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.